Hey guys, it's Keela, and as you know, I am going to be doing challenges every single Tuesday to just encourage us to live life a little more. Ernest Hemingway once said, in order to write about life, you first must live it, and so I'm trying to live life a little more exciting than maybe I normally do, and I want to encourage y'all to do the same. So, for this week's challenge, I had my family do the blind taste test with me. For any of y'all who have watched Hell's Kitchen, you should probably recognize this challenge. It's one of Gordon Ramsay's favorites to test his chef's palates. Now, we were doing it for more fun reasons than that. Obviously, none of us are experienced or professional chefs. But we wanted to see if we could guess what the food was without being able to see it. And so that's kind of the gist of the game. We are blindfolded, we are tasting various foods, and we're trying to guess what it is, and we'll hopefully find a winner.
Open your mouth.
Saltine cracker.
That's it.
Nice. Okay.
All right, here we go.
It's one of my California hot mix. I think it is cauliflower.
Yes, that's correct.
Wow.
Good job.
All right. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, open your mouth. Okay.
Corn?
Yes.
Yes,
Nice.
good job.
Very
Good
good.
job.
Open up. Okay.
What is that? That is mushy. I don't know. Squash.
No.
What was
It was a cooked fajita bell pepper.
Sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
That was good.
Is that enough? Is that big enough? Right. Okay.
That is like an oatmeal cookie. What is it?
Yeah,
Yep.
it is.
That
Great.
Yep.
Oh, man.
Did you get any? I don't think you did. Here's some more. No, you're not getting it. Here.
How do I know?
What is it?
that? I have no idea.
There's some more if you need more.
It's like flakes of nothing. Like a skin. It's like a skin. Like a like an apple peel or something. That's not my guess. Apple peel's the closest thing I can
Is that
think.
your final answer?
Yeah.
Nope.
What is it?
Spinach.
Okay.
Go ahead and bite it.
That's a cheese.
Okay.
Do I need to? What kind?
I mean, if you have a guess, I will give it to you, but if you have a guess, you can try.
Swiss?
Sure. Sure. Okay.
I know this. I've eaten them all my life. It's shredded wheat.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, we're at the sudden death final round. Dun, dun, dun. They all got 2 right in the preliminary round, so now there's one final bite, 2 elements. Whoever shouts it out first correctly wins it all. You can only shout out once you have both elements so that you don't give away something to someone who doesn't know. Everybody good?
Yep.
Yes.
All right, on the count of 3, take your bite. 1, 2, 3.
Banana and syrup.
Yes!
Are you serious?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yep.
Yes.
So the challenge is I just want to encourage y'all to come at life with a different perspective and don't take for granted your sight because it helps you a lot more than you think. So hopefully y'all enjoy our video and y'all will maybe do challenges like this as well so we can all live life a little more.
I think I like it.